When I need a bowl of comfort that really packs a punch, this Creamy Peanut Miso Ramen is absolutely the one. It's rich, nutty, spicy and silky smooth, and just the kind of food that hugs you from the inside out. Plus, it's full of plant points, it's easy to scale up, and it is guaranteed to impress. Let's get into it. First up, prep your aromatics. Grab some garlic and fresh ginger, give them both a good peel and grate them finely. Zest the lime, slice it into wedges and trim your spring onions, separating the white and the green bits. Now we're going to build the base of our broth. Get a large stock pot on a medium heat. In goes a little vegetable oil and a generous spoonful of chili crisp. That's just chili oil with crunchy bits in it. Add in the grated garlic, the ginger, lime zest, turmeric and the white parts of those spring onions. And let that fry for about 5 minutes. It'll start smelling absolutely incredible. Now it's time to bring some depth. In goes a big spoon of miso, followed by some smooth peanut butter and tahini. Stir everything together so it melts into this rich golden paste. Pour in your coconut milk, mix well, and let it come to a gentle simmer. Add the vegetable stock, turn the heat down low and leave it bubbling away while we sort out the toppings. Let's talk tofu. Get a frying pan on a medium heat with a splash of oil. Crumble in your smoked tofu. You want rough, crispy edge chunks, about ½ centimetre across. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes until golden and crisp. Then add soy sauce, a dash of chili oil and a splash of liquid smoke if you've got it. Stir everything together and turn the heat right down to keep warm. Now let's give the broth a taste. You're looking for that perfect balance. Rich, savoury, a little sweet and full of depth. Now for the noodles. Get a large pan of water on to boil. No flavour sachets needed here though. Cook the noodles according to packet instructions. That's usually about 3 to 4 minutes until soft and springy. Now it's time to build. Use those tongs to divide the noodles into bowls, then ladle over that creamy, rich, spicy broth. Top with your crispy tofu crumbles, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, and a drizzle of chili oil. Scatter over the saved spring onion greens, a few coriander leaves, and finish with a wedge of lime on the side. That right there is comfort food on another level. It's bold, rich, full of texture, and totally plant rich. Get your broth spoons and your chopsticks and get stuck in. If you make this one, let us know what you think about it in the comments. And if you've got any ramen tips, drop them in the comments too. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. So good.